Alright, now that we got the transmission and transfer case out, we're going to remove the transfer case. I already took out the clutch slave cylinder, and I got that on order with a new pilot bearing for the other side of the transmission. So what we're going to do first is remove the lever, the handle, everything. We got 2 half-inch nuts on top. We'll knock those off. Then we got a bolt there and the bolt there. And I sprayed everything down with PB Blaster, hopefully to help with the process of that. Ah, come on. Whew. Whew. Don't move. Oh. Oh. Whew. Okay. That there is how you remove a transmission from a transfer case on the garage floor in the middle of winter when it's 23 degrees. Would not recommend. Okay guys, now we gotta take the bell housing off itself. The reason that I have to do that is because the transmission that I bought did not come with it. I specifically asked for that because it was way cheaper, because this one has internal clutch slave cylinder. And I have no issues with in or outside clutch cylinder. It was like with the bell housing that they had and the bell housing that I have, this is free. And I just bought $80 worth of new clutch slave cylinder. So it's just, in my opinion, common sense. I don't care how more convenient it is. And plus, once I get the transmission in, I don't really care what happens after that because it's bulletproof. But it takes 9 bolts to take it off from the inside, and they are 1/2 inch. And I had to figure out where my 1/2 inch socket's at. But we'll knock that off, and then we can move on to cleaning, which you guys won't see, and then installing it on the new transmission. I'm excited. Okay, after a lot of struggling and spilling oil everywhere, time to get them out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, God, right in the oil. 4, no, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Jeez, okay. Oil over everything. Yes. All right. That there is what a naked transmission looks like. All right. I'm done. You guys have a good night.